Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Spotter Jutting Amateur Radio. As you can see, today we're down in the shack. I was planning on doing a Parks on Air activation for you, but I don't know if you can tell by my look and by my sound, I don't feel 100%. So today instead we're going to do some Parks on the Air hunting, which is one thing I like to do when I'm not actually out at the park. It's something you can do with just an HF radio and a home station. So we're going to try to make some contacts. I got the IC-718 fired up. I've got my computer laid out with my QRZ page for logging the contact and the POTA spotting page up. I'm going to adjust you guys so you can hopefully see a little bit more and not just the back of my head, and you can hear a little bit better. So with that, welcome again to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get to the hunt. Kilo 0, Bravo, Juliet, Juliet. QSL, QSL, I have you 5-9 in Iowa. Copy the 5-5, have a safe activation, and 7-3. And he's coming up, so he's 5-9 now, and he's going up. So I'm going to quickly get him in the log. Kilo 0, Bravo, Juliet, Juliet. Kilo 0, Bravo, Juliet, Juliet. Kilo 0, Bravo, Juliet, Juliet. I copy a 5-3. I've got you a 3-5, 3-5 in Iowa. 7-3, have a safe activation. First contact of the day, we're in Massachusetts. He said had me at 5-3. First thing I do is I go to log the contact. So we're on 14,296. He had me 5-3. I had him 3-5. And he's bouncing up on me. The band is starting to shift in and out. So I'm going to go for my comments. I don't know if you can see what I'm putting, but I log on QRZ. So POTA in his park is K84. I just lost him. K84 12. Save the record, and then I will respot him. Okay, is K0BJJ. Comment 3-5 Iowa. Oh, apparently it won't let me do the comment. I will respot him. I need to sign in. Never forget to sign in. So, first one of the day in the book. We'll see if I can get any more. You are on like take 5. I'm not having you sit through all the dial switches. So given this is, I've been working on this for about 10 minutes, and it was like a 2-minute contact for you. So, yeah, hopefully we get some more and I'll get you tuned in. Yeah, sorry for the side face, but I figured you want to see my face and not just hear a voice. And so I'm going to bring you guys up close and so you can see a little bit better. So I do spot everyone I hunt. That way it gets marked off as I hunted it. Those nice little check marks. That one right here is a QRT, so it doesn't have that nice green check mark. That way I don't accidentally hunt someone twice. And then up here, QRZ. If you're comfortable with ham radio and you've been on QRZ, you know what that is. So log in everyone, and yeah, looks like I have a fix to make, so that's another good reason for marking stuff. But yeah, I'll bring you guys back when we have a another park hunted. Well, everyone, while we have a break in the action, trying to get some of those tuned in, I did mention in the last video, and I know a lot of you don't watch it to the end, so I did want to bring this up again. For every one of you that helped me activate K2319, you're going to get a special QSL card. I have them designed, and I have them right here. So basically, we're going to have your kilo contact number, which I know how to do that from the reverse order. So it'll be everyone, and so it'll be the number that it took to get to the kilo. So even if we make 1,001 contacts, you're going to get one of these cards that day because you helped me activate the kilo. And it's not your fault you weren't the 1,000th contact, it was, or you were over that. So you'll get one of these cards that day. You're going to get your contact number. So if you were the 1,001 contact, you're going to get, it's going to say 1,001 on the contact number. And yeah, so that's something special that I'm doing for you guys. I was printing out some more QSL cards. I'm on my 4th rendition of QSL cards. These are the regular ones, so if you ever get a regular one from me, I know it's backwards. I'm sorry. That's how it records. So anyway, I'm going to try to get you a couple more contacts, and then we'll do a quick little outro. But I just wanted to show those QSL cards again because, yeah, I know retention on my videos isn't that high, so some of you didn't probably hear about the QSL cards, so I wanted to throw that out early. Kilo 0 Bravo Juliet Juliet.
Kilo 0 Bravo Juliet Juliet. Good morning, safety sound.
Good morning. Thank you for the 5-7. I've got you 5-9 in Iowa.
59 Iowa. I'll take it. Thank you. Have a safe.
7-3. Have a safe activation.
Thank you. All right, everyone. I'm gonna wrap it up for the day. At least for the recording. I might hunt some more, but that's going to be later on. I'm going to go rest. I'm just seeing myself on the camera, and yeah, I look like crap. So thank you for watching Spotter Jutting Amateur Radio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are in this video, not only are you going to hear your contact, I'm going to shoot you a QSL card too. So thanks for watching. Those that I made contact with, thanks for being out there activating. I wish I could have been out there with you. And we'll see you on the next one.